One Bo and Friends Morning Show, KBBY, Ventura County's #1 for better mix of music. More Disneyland Family 4-pack of those Park Hopper tickets going to be all next week at 7:30. All you got to do is join my birthday club at b951.com. It takes less than 30 seconds. Get your name, your birthday in there, your phone number. We'll be drawing another name 7:30 Monday morning. Right now we've got the Oxnard High Band, marching band in here. They've got a big competition going on tomorrow all day at the high school. Go Yellow Jackets. And, you know, your band, Fundi, I got to give you credit, has been getting some top scores. When the marching band gets out there, look out. It is showtime.
Yeah, we're making some noise out there this year. We're at the top of the score list. We're vying for that top 3 position in the finals. I like the sound of first place.
There you go. All right. And by the way, great job. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Bon Jovi, we heard you do some patriotic songs. Why don't we do something that you're going to have in the competition? 24 bands coming in tomorrow, Oxnard High Band.
Well, we're doing music. Our show is entitled Classic Contortions, and with that, we're taking classical music primarily from Beethoven and Mozart and putting a twist on it. So let's play the opener with Wolfgang and Ludwig. And 1, 2, and 1, 2. Band. They are in studio with us, and you know, you gotta love and appreciate music, and especially in schools, how important it is now. And Fundi, you got a great program over there. Thank you.
Come support them tomorrow, the big competition at Oxnard High. And wow, 24 bands coming in. We'll see how they do. But I love it when they come into the studio here because we got a tuba going this way, a drum going that way, the bells. Everybody's doing great. The flutes. Oh, just a great time. Kids are supposed to be off school. You think they'd want to sleep in today? No, they're hanging out with us on the show. That is so cool. And even today for Veterans Day, where are you going to be at?
We're at Plaza Park this morning at 11 o'clock for their Veterans Day program. We're very honored to be a part of that program. And we look forward to alumni, especially. We have an alumni booth for alumni Oxnard High School band members or just Oxnard High School alumni tomorrow. So come on out for a good old time at Hauser Field, Oxnard High School. With doors open at 11 o'clock, first band is at 11:45. Have a good time. We're going to do it for you.
Yeah, and no matter what band you played for in high school, come support them. There's 24 bands there. It'll get the juices flowing again. Remember what you did back in high school.
Definitely.
Too cool. Give yourselves another big round of applause. Oxnard High. Great job. Welcome back anytime. KBBY.